ever felt so cute? You glamming up your face, you spray your face, and then you feel like, oh my God, I just drowned. Hey, Glam Squad, welcome to another video. Thank you for joining me. If you're new here, please like and subscribe on the road to 1,000. And if you're a returning subby, hey girl, hey. So today, this is just me getting ready for the new year, just showing you guys a look. Really, I was just going to sleep, but I just wanted to do my makeup. So first, I'm going to start off with priming my face with a serum. You guys know anything I do for my skin, because I am over 40, it has to be something that helps my skin out. Now, I'm just adding a little staying power, which is Mega Magnesia. You could use whatever you like. This is what I use. Now, I'm going to just comb out my brows hairs with a spoolie. I'm going to use this angle brush just to blend this out. Just to shape out my eyebrow shape. And I'm not drawing my eyebrow bigger than it is. I'm not exaggerating it. I'm just literally trying to make it, fill it in. Now I'm going to take a concealer, which is Toffee by Too Faced, and this flat brush from Amazon, which I have a video on affordable brushes from YouTube a few videos back. Now I'm going to just use my foundation brush, angle foundation brush, just to blend it out from Morphe. I'm going to do the top and the bottom. I love the way it looks. Then I'm going to go ahead and blend the excess concealer. Now I'm going to go in with my transition color, which is going to be a light mauve burgundy color, something closer to my skin tone, but has some sort of color to it. I do that a few times before I go in with this dark brown eyeshadow to go on my lid. And again, I'm blending back and forth just to make those two colors look seamless, as you can see. Now I'm just going to use my fingers, which I sprayed with some setting spray, and I'm using like a press-on glitter shadow all over my eyes. First, I put it on the center of my lid. And I thought that was cute, but then I was like, no, this is New Year's Eve. I would want something a little more shimmery. This is the time where you can be free whatever you like. You can use glitter, you can use shimmer. And if you do want to use glitter, please use a clear eyelash glue so it can adhere and stay on longer. Now I'm going to use my Inglot Gel Liner number 77. The darkest black liner that I know. And I am just going to do me a wing. I don't know if it's because I'm over 40 now. I usually don't do my wings like this. I don't even do a wing anymore, to be honest with you. I like a more sophisticated look without a wing lately. But I don't know. I just felt like doing it this evening. Now this is the easiest way I can tell you ladies to put on your lashes. Put on the glue. Allow it to get tacky. Place it down in the center of your eyes. Adjust the back. Adjust the front. And I know some ladies do not like lashes, because I have clients who don't like lashes, but it just does something. You see, I just place it down in the center. Adjust the back. Adjust the front. Make sure that it's sitting on your lash band, and that's it. So I'm going to just use my cute little fan. I'm just going to let y'all know that I'm going to try to link this at the bottom. But I saw Nicki Minaj with this, and I was like, oh my God. But I sprayed my face with the Luminous Morphe spray. Then I'm going to go with this other Morphe spray, and I just felt like I just drowned. Like, what the heck? Like, I don't understand how these sprays just be spraying however they want. Now I'm just going to move on to my lips. I've already done my foundation, already set my face. Ladies, it is so important that you use a brown liner. It's so important if you are brown skin, dark skin. use a liner. And this is just an Essence like $1.99 lipstick. I love how satin it is. I just kissed myself. And then I blot my lips just to make sure that it is blended. That is so key and so important. Now I'm going to go just in with a lip gloss. And this is the look, y'all. I felt so pretty, so glam. And this is just a few tips and tricks on the road to 1,000. Please like and subscribe.